Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and thank you so much for watching this video today. So it's been such a long time that I filmed a video, like it's been over 2 weeks, and I thought it's about time I sit and film a video. So I have been very busy because things have changed around here at my house and there is lack of space, so filming videos is kind of getting a little problematic. I'll probably discuss that in some other video of mine. If you have been watching my background, this is not the usual background which you see in my videos, because I'm sitting somewhere else and filming this video, because it's been such a long time. I had to keep the video thing going. I couldn't keep a huge gap, so please bear with me while I figure out everything, like how am I going to film my future videos and stuff. So if you have read the title, and you would know that today's video is going to be a collective haul. All the products I'm going to show are like makeup and beauty related, and I don't have any accessories as such. In fact, I have many more products, but I'm not going to show everything in this video, because then it will get pretty long. So whatever I have, I'm going to show you in this video. If this video interests you, if you'd like to watch more, then please keep on watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also, there is a bell icon next to it. When you click on that and select all, each time I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Alright friends, so let me start with the video right away. Before I do that, I would just like to apologize for any background noises. Like, there is a grill shop right across the road, and there's always noise from there. I mean, we are kind of irritated, but I understand it could come in the background of this video and kind of be irritating, so I really apologize for that in advance. So let's get started with the products now. The first thing I would like to show is pretty random, and I really liked it, and I don't remember if I've shown it in my last haul video. So this is like an organizer for, I don't know, your makeup brushes, or you could put your spoons, or whatever you want. I basically bought it thinking about makeup brushes. Like, you cannot have कितना भी खरीद लो कम ही पड़ता है, but I really like this one because of the fact that it has this compartments, like 3 of them. Can you see that? And the best part is I just paid 20 bucks for this. Now here I put my face brushes, here I put my eye brushes, and here I put my eyebrow and pencil brush and concealer brushes. So I'm really happy with this purchase. And there is a hook out here which you can use to hang it on the wall. मतलब आप इसमें अपना comb वगैरह भी डाल सकते हो. But for me, the main reason of buying it was for keeping my makeup brushes. I do then keep it in my drawer because it accumulates a lot of dust. So yeah, this was the first purchase. I really liked it, and it's pretty random, but I really liked it and I wanted to show it. I'm going to start off with skincare. The first thing I got is from Alps Goodness. It's their neem powder. It's 50 grams and I paid 60 rupees. So this is how the packaging looks like. So I have shown previously in my videos as well. I think I got the orange peel sandalwood wood powder. So there was an offer at one point of time, like if you buy 3 or 4 of them, you get some, like 40-50% discount. This is when I purchased this. I think neem powder, we all know how beneficial it is for our skin. You can even use it on your hair, but I basically bought it so that I'm getting all these small pimples on my face. I think it's probably could be because of dandruff, or because I'm eating drinking a lot of tea and consuming sugar. So this is kind of an external thing. Internally maybe I need to cut down on my sugar, but neem really helps. I think it's like a multi-purpose powder, and there's nothing wrong in using natural stuff. I'm all about that, so I'm happy I got this purchase. So yeah, this was the first skincare item I got. Alright, moving on, the next thing I got is this almond oil. It's a sweet almond oil, 100% pure and natural, and it says virgin and cold pressed. This is from this brand called Ray Naturals. So this is how the bottle looks like. I'm not sure if I've shown this in my previous video, and the whole purpose of buying this was so that I can use it on under my eyes. Like, I have really bad dark circles, and life's problems and stress and everything, it just keeps on contributing to that. So I read somewhere that sweet almond oil helps in reducing your crow's feet, fine lines, and with time it will reduce your dark circles. अब ये करता है कि नहीं, I will keep you guys posted. Now this was like the cheapest almond oil. I think the Rogan Badam Shirin is very expensive. So this one was like very inexpensive, I would say. It is like 299 rupees, and you get how much? Uh, I think it's 100 ml. Yes, it's 100 ml, and if you go for the Rogan Badam Shirin, that's like way too expensive. So I was looking for something inexpensive. I'm glad I got this. In fact, I paid just 199 for it. So मुझे Amazon पे मस्त discount मिल गया. I'll place a link from where you can buy all these products that I'm showing in the video. So yeah, this was the next purchase and I'm really happy with it. I have used it. I think the quality is really nice. The next thing I got are charcoal nose strips. Now if you have been watching my channel from the beginning, in fact from the last 3 years I've been raving about these strips, and these are from Hip Hop. They are the cleansing charcoal nose strips. Now these are meant for men, but I don't think so that women cannot use it. I think it's the same thing. I don't know why they bifurcate the thing. They have one meant specifically for women as well, but I go for this one because I feel it really works for me. Now the price of this one has increased. In fact, it is 110 rupees. You get 3 strips in it. तो बेसिकली आपको कुछ करना नहीं है, आपको यहाँ पे वार्म वाटर से यहाँ पे पोज ओपन करना है, स्ट्रिप लगाना है, peel it off and you are good to go. Lately I have been having like a lot of blackheads and I feel like at least twice a month यह मुझे लगाना ही है. So I had bought this pack. I've already done with 2 of it and only 1 is remaining. So I'm going to repurchase. I'm thinking of another brand, so when I get that brand and if it works for me, I will definitely share it with you guys, because that particular brand has a white strip and that is really nice because वहाँ पे तुमको black heads का ज़्यादा पता चलता है whether it's coming off or not. In these charcoal strips you can only see the white heads and you're not sure whether the black heads are coming out or not. Yeah, for now I'm happy with this one. This was my next purchase, and the next thing that I got is this Pond's face wash. Now it says Pond's Bright Beauty Spotless Glow face wash. So this is how it looks like. I've never tried a Pond's face wash. I'm not sure whether I got this or I got it free with something else, but I'm happy I got it because I have not used a Pond's products in such a long time, and this is how it looks like. It smells nice, but what it claims or what it does is something which I need to test out. So if I do, I will definitely keep you guys posted in my next video. For now, this was my next product. Alright friends, moving on, the next product I got is from Nature's Essence. It is their Daily Detan Day Serum Cream. Now honestly, I did not purchase it. I got it free with one of my purple orders. I'm not sure about the tanning part because I always look white, but I would say if it kind of brightens my skin, so that would be great. Now I haven't used this cream at all, so I am not sure what how is it going to work for me. All it says is Daily Detan Day Serum Cream for morning and evening use, 3 into glow, no dark spots, no tan and no dullness. Sounds really exciting and nice, and if I can find out what the price is, it says only 50 rupees and you get 38 ml of product. So this is how it looks like. As and when I try it, I will definitely mention it out here or on my Instagram. If you're not following me there guys, please follow me. I'll mention my link here as well as in the description box. I also regularly write a blog. If you are not aware, my blog address will be mentioned in the description bar as well, so definitely check it out. The last thing I got in the skincare category is this wet wipe. It's called a Saral Life Made Easy X Factor Wipe. Now I haven't heard of this brand, to be very honest. This is how it looks like. I got it from a local market shop. Now the price of this is 70 rupees. You get 25 wipes, but from where I got it for 50 bucks. It also says that you can also use it while traveling and in the gym and all that stuff, but my basic purpose of only using wet wipes is to take off my makeup once I'm done with filming, because otherwise you have to use like 10 products. So yeah, these were all the skincare items that I have purchased recently. Now the only thing remaining is makeup, so please stay tuned for that. Alright friends, moving on, I do have only 3 makeup related stuff. I do have more of them, but I need to figure out where I have kept them, so I'll leave that for the next video. The first thing I got is this Glow and Lovely BB cream. Now this was earlier called Fair and Lovely. I had gone for an event by them like in 2015, and I also got the best complexion award at that point of time. So yes, this is kind of nostalgic. I kind of remembered that event I went for. Now over the years, this whole concept of Fair and Lovely, I think people have become more aware, and I too feel that there's nothing like Fair and Lovely. Every skin color is unique in its own way, and I'm glad that they finally decided to change the name. So the Fair and Lovely is now Glow and Lovely. I wanted to see if anything has changed in their formula. Now to be honest, they had only one shade. It was pretty white and it kind of suited me, and I really like the formula, although some people were like against it, but I think for my skin color it used to work. Now I think they have 2 shades, and this is the one I went for. I think this is a light shade, I believe. If I can find out if it's written anywhere. Nothing much has been written, but I think this is the lighter shade that I went for, which will suit my skin tone perfectly. So this is such a tiny tube and it's only 40 rupees. So as and when I try it in my videos, you will know and I will share my opinion about the same. I've already done a review of this in the older format on my blog, so if you want you can go ahead and check that out on my blog. For now, this was the first product. Moving on, my haul wouldn't be complete without showing something from Blue Heaven. I think they constantly keep on coming out with new products, and lately I have seen that what they have done is they have revamped their whole line, in the sense that the products may be the same, kind of thoda बहुत formula change किया होगा, but packaging they have changed like totally crazy. So these are the two things that I purchased. Now this is called the Blue Heaven 2 into Intense Kajal. I got the shade Green Queen and True Blue. So this is how it looks like. Now the price is 125 and I think I got like a 45% discount. Like if you buy from Purple, they always have this offer like buy one get so much off, buy two itna off milega. So if you buy 4, you'll get like 45% discount, which is amazing. So I'm really happy I got it, and I'll just remove one of these because it gets difficult to take it out. So this is how it looks like. I've already tried it once. I would say it's really good. So I'll be doing like an in-depth review on my channel very soon, hopefully, while I'm figuring out how to film videos. But for now, I would say I've used this green color and it's really nice. And ये काफ़ी देर तक आंखों पे रह जाता है और इतना स्मच भी नहीं करता, which is a good part. And I'm really looking forward to trying the blue one, which I haven't yet. For now, I got these two ones and I'm really happy with my purchase. So the last product that I would like to show is again from Blue Heaven, and I wanted to try this blush from I think last 2 years. I did have two variants from the 6 shades that they have. Now what they have done is that they have revamped the whole packaging and they have come out with the same blush, I feel, but they have changed the name. So this is the one I went for. This is called Blue Heaven Shimmer Matte Blush. Shimmer भी है और matte भी है, मतलब ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, right? This is quite funny. I kind of found it funny, but all they are trying to say, it gives you a matte and a shimmer effect. तो हम लोग वो देखेंगे कि होता है कि नहीं. So while I take off the packaging, this is how the shade looks like. So this was supposed to be like an orangey color, which it is, but I feel it's kind of dark. So I'm not sure how it will look on my cheeks. For now, this is how it looks like. So it does have like a golden sheen to it, and let's go ahead and apply a little bit of it. So I'm just tapping my brush, and oh yeah, this is the shade I wanted. Let's do a little bit this side as well. So as you can see, it really looks nice on me. In fact, it will suit even people who have deeper skin color, because मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ा dark है. I wanted it to be a little bit lighter, but nonetheless this is really nice. And I think I paid like 88 rupees for this blush. The original MRP is 125. तो भैया 88 रुपीज़ अगर आपको ये ब्लश मिल रहा है तो इसमें क्या खराबी है, right? I think it's really nice and I'm really happy with this purchase. So yes, these were all the products that I wanted to show you in this haul video. Alright friends, so that is a wrap for today. Those were all the products I wanted to show in the collective haul video. Now, I have been purchasing a lot of products on and off, and also clothes and stuff, but I am not very comfortable showing clothes out here on my YouTube channel, because I'm not much into fashion and stuff, so I don't think so it makes sense. But yes, beauty accessories and all these things I'll definitely be showing in a future haul video. For now, this is it. These were all the products I wanted to show. If you like this video, please do not forget to share it on your social media. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment down below and let me know what you liked from my haul, and is there anything that you have purchased recently. Also, if there's anything that you would like me to try in the beauty, skincare, makeup category, please leave a comment down below. For now, this is it. I thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you all soon in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.